Good morning, students. Let us start. Chapter 4, video number 9, Mathematics class 5. In this video, we will learn how to convert rupees into paisa, which is at NCERT page number 65. Old Woman's Will, NCERT page number 66-67. Arun's Timetable, NCERT page number 67-68. And School Magazine at page number 68. So let us start with rupees and paisa. Rupees and paisa. Suppose this is 1 rupees. Okay. Suppose this is 1 rupees. So if I divide this 1 rupees in 2 equal parts, so this is half rupees and this is again half rupees. If I further divide this into half, so this is quarter rupees and this is also quarter. So 1 rupees has 2 half rupees. Rupees 1 is equal to 2 half rupees. Means 2 50 paisa. 50 paisa plus 50 paisa. Why? Because this 1 rupees is equal to 100 paisa. Okay. So half rupees is equal to 50 paisa. So in this way, quarter rupees is equal to 25 paisa, half of 50. So rupees 1 has 4 quarter rupees. That is, rupees 1 has 25 paisa plus 4 times. 25 paisa 4 times. 25 paisa plus 25 paisa plus 25 paisa plus 25 paisa. 4 times 25 paisa. And similarly 2 times 50 paisa. Okay, so I hope you understand this concept. Let us move next. 1 rupee equal to 100 paisa. Half rupee is equal to 50 paisa. Quarter rupee is equal to 25 paisa. Now see. How many 50 paisa will make 1 rupees? How many 50 paisa will make 1 rupees? So I just told you 50 paisa plus 50 paisa is equal to 100 paisa is equal to V1. Okay, so 2 50 paisa will make 1 rupees. So question number 1 is this: how many 50 paisa will make 1 rupees? So answer of this question will be 2 50 paisa will make 1 rupees. Is 50 paisa half of 1 rupees? Yes, 50 paisa is half of 1 rupees. Question number 2: how many 25 paisa will make 1 rupee? So I told you 25 paisa plus 25 paisa plus 25 paisa plus 25 paisa. 50 paisa plus 50 paisa. Means 150 paisa has 225 paisa and 250 paisa has 425 paisa. And how many 25 paisa will have 1 rupees? So 1 rupees have 420 paisa. So answer of question number 2 is this. 425 paisa will make 1 rupee. 25 paisa is quarter, 1/4 part of 1 rupees. Okay. 20 paisa is how much part? 20 paisa is how much part of 100 rupees? Total is 100 paisa and 25. So 20, 21 ja 20, 25 ja 100. So 20 paisa is 1/5 part of 1 rupees. How many? This is question number 3, 4, 5. How many 10 paisa will make 1 rupee? So you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 10 paisas will make 1 rupees. So 10 paisa is 1 upon 10 part. Because 10 paisa will make 1 rupees. So 10 paisa is 1/10 part of 100 paisa. That is 1 rupees. Okay. Let us move further. An old woman's will. Once there was an old woman. She was living with her 3 daughters. Okay. And she was quite rich because she had 19 camels. And one day she fell ill. The daughters called doctor, but doctor could not save the life of woman. Woman died. After her death, the daughter read she had written in her will. When she was dying, she has written a will that how to distribute these 19 camels. So the will was half of the camel to eldest daughter, second daughter will get quarter of the camels, and third daughter will get 1/5 of the camel. Now this is the problem. Why? Look at this. How many camels? 19. 19 camels. How much will eldest daughter will get? Half of the camel. 19 camel total. If I divide in half, so 19 half is 9 and 9 camels and half camel. Okay. 9 and half. But they cannot cut the camel. Second daughter will get quarter. 19 divided by 4. It will not again complete camel. They have to cut the camel, but they cannot cut. Third daughter will also get like this. So again not complete camels. So they cannot get the complete camel. So they were confused now how to divide these camels. So in the meantime, what happened? They just saw her aunt is coming, and aunt said it's very difficult to. But what she said, she gave a solution. And what was the solution? You can read it and we can apply here. Okay. So solution was, how many camels were there? 19. And the solution was aunt gave 1 camel. So now how many camels? 20 camels. Okay. Eldest daughter will get half of the camel. Half of 20. 20 divided by 2. means 10. So eldest daughter will get 10 camel. Second daughter will get 1/4 means 20 divided by 4, that is 5. So second daughter will get 5 of the camel. Okay, and the third daughter will get 1/5 of the camel, that is 20 divided by 5. 5 4 ja 20. So third daughter will get 4 camels. Okay, again see, first daughter will get 10 camels, second daughter will get 5 camel, third daughter will get 4 camels. How many camels were distributed? 10 plus 5, 15 plus 4, 19. But they had 20 camels. 1 camel left. So what will they do with this 1 camel? Yes, they will return it to her aunt, because it is her aunt's camel. Because initially her aunt gave this 1 camel. So after dividing 19 camels, still they have 1 camel. So this is her aunt camel. So in this way, they could divide the camels. Let us move next. Arun's timetable. Arun's timetable. 1/3 of a day. So how many hours in one day? One day is equal to 24 hours. Sleeping 1/3 of day. This is sleeping time. 1/3 of a day means 24 divided by 3. This is equal to 8 hours. So this 8 hour is sleeping time. Sleeping time 8 hours. Okay. Now second is 1/8 of the day. What he does 1/8 of the day? Playing. Play 1/8 day means 24 hours upon 8. 8 3s are 24 means 3 hours. So play 3 hours. Let us color 3 boxes. This is play. Okay. So playing hour is 3 hours a day. Study 1/4 hour. Study. (24) divided by 4, because studying hour is 1/4. 4 6 ja 24. Still 6 hour he study. Okay. 1 2 3 4 5 6. This is study hour. Okay. So out of these hours he does other activities, means bathing, eating, walking, talking, watching TV. So studying hour is 6 hours. What part of the day does he use for other activities? Let us see how many hours. 8 hour plus 6 hour, 14 hour plus 3, 17 hour. Total hours activity 17 hours. How many hours left? A day has 24 hours minus 70 hours. 17 hours he used 14 minus 7, 7 means 0. Means he uses 7 hours for other activities. Okay, you can see now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. These 7 hours for other activities. Okay, so these Arun made 24 boxes and divided these 24 boxes as per his study hours or working hours or playing hours. Why he divided the boxes in 24 boxes? Because one day has 24 hours. So he has divided each hour in one box and shaded timetable like this. Okay. So I hope you can make your own timetable in this way. School magazine. A school has decided to bring out a magazine at every quarter of the years. 1 year is equal to 12 months. So he has divided year into 12 months. So 12 boxes. How many magazines will they bring in a year? So 12 months, quarter means divide by 4. Quarter means simply divide by 4. Okay. Because 1 year has 4 divided by 12, 3. Means 3 months has 1 quarter. 3 months equal to 1 quarter. So at the end of every third month, he will bring magazine. So he will bring on third month, 6th month, 9th month, and 12th month. So how many magazines? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 magazines in a year. 4 magazines in a year. If they want to print it at the end of each quarter of a year, which are the month for the printing? So first magazine will come to third month, means March. Second will come on 6th month, June. Then third will come July, August, and September. And the last will come on December. Okay, so in this way they will bring 4 magazines in a year at the end of every third month. So I hope you understand this. Let us move to next. Sleeping Beauty. Have you heard of Kumbhakarna? Yeah, the brother of Ravana. He is famous for sleeping half of the year. He is famous for sleeping half of the year. Means 1 year has 12 months. Half of the year he sleeps, means he sleeps 6 months a year. So Kumbhakarna sleeps 6 months of a year. Most of the people sleep for 8 hours in a day. Then what part of day is it? A day has 24 hours and sleeps at 8 hours. 8 threes are 24. So 1/3. This is third. So 8 is 1/3 part of a day. 1/3 of a. Okay. So what part of year do they sleep? When one sleeps 1/3 of a day, he will sleep 1/3 of the year also. 1/3 of year. Okay. So 1/3. What part of year do they sleep? 1/3 of the year do they sleep. A person 60 years old must have slept. If 60-year-old divide by 3, that is 20. 3 2s are 6, 20. So a 60-year-old person must have slept 20 years of his life, as he is sleeping 8 hours a day. Okay. So I hope you understand this. Thank you. If you like the video, please hit the like button and subscribe the channel if you have not subscribed till now. Thank you.